Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, including haul videos like this one. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some items I picked up from Michael's recently. Some are fall and some are for Christmas time. So why don't you stay tuned? So first, the fall items. When I went in, they were having their fall items 70% off. I don't know if they're 90% by now. Normally they do 70% first and then they go to 90%. But I did pick up a couple of things. I may go back to get some more. As I mentioned in a prior video, next year I'm thinking of doing navy and yellow in my fall decor. And so I found this big bush. It was originally $12, which means it was $3.60, and it has so many different pieces of flowers and greenery on it. I haven't counted them all up. I don't really care for this pinkish color, so I'm definitely going to clip that out. Maybe just clip it off entirely so I can still have the greenery. We'll see. Maybe I'll keep it for something else. But I did want these blue flowers, so that was the first thing I got. Thought that was a good deal. And then I really liked this bucket. It looks a lot like the other ones I have, but it's more oval shape. So I could use this as an arrangement, or I could use it to hold flowers that I'm thinking I might work with for some arrangements. I can pull them from my other buckets and stick them in here so I have a bigger bucket to put things in. So this was originally $18, so it would have been $5.40, I guess, which I thought was a pretty good deal. It has kind of fake leather handles on each side, but it's a good size. You can see holding it up next to my head. And then the last fall item I got was this planked sign. It's fiberboard. It's not real wood, most of it. It looks like it has a veneer of real wood on it, and then it's mostly fiberboard, but it's really thick. And it says thankful, grateful, and blessed. It has some galvanized greenery on it and this burlap bow. I'm probably going to take this bow off. I think it looks a little cheap. I think it'll look nice without it, and it won't hide the top garland there. There's a challenge coming up that Secondhand Tracy Ann's doing where you have to have the words thankful, grateful, and blessed as part of it. So I thought this sign was perfect. It was originally $12, so I got it for $3.60. So that's my fall items. Now let's move on to holiday Christmas items. Now, to save time this Christmas time in my decorating, I decided I was going to leave my family room garlands with the eucalyptus and kind of dried leaf looking foliage up on my mantle, and just add into it some holiday items and take down the fall items. And so I saw these pearl branches. I thought those would look nice mixed in with the eucalyptus. They're only $2 normally, and everything, I think Christmas was 30% off. And then they had these little picks that also had pearls with some frosted greenery on them. These were more. These were $6. So I just picked up a few of those. I may go back when things are a little cheaper and get some more, but I wanted to get some before they ran out of them. And then the last thing I got were these faux antlers. They're plastic, but they're molded to look like antlers that have been shed. So I thought those were kind of neat. Those were originally $4, so that would have been $1.20 off, so $2.80. So I got some of those. I'm thinking of putting them on the mantle as well. And then I got some ribbon. This is kind of a champagne rose blush pink color. This I want to put in my living room Christmas tree. I am going for these sort of coppery tones mixed in with golds and silvers. And so I had all of that, and then I had a coupon that was $10 off your purchase of $50 on non-clearance items, and I needed one more item, and they're candles were $3, and if I bought the $3, then I got the, actually I think it was $20 off coupon. I got the $20 off my purchase. So it was worth spending $3 more to get the extra $20 off the purchase. Whatever it was, I don't remember my coupon. But anyway, I picked this one up. It's toasted pecan and cinnamon. Smells like holiday cookies. So it's wonderful. The only thing about these candles is they don't burn very well. They tend to tunnel. So you do have to do the aluminum foil trick once in a while to get them to burn properly, but they do smell really nice. Okay, so that's it for my Michael's haul. If you like the items I got, why don't you give me a thumbs up? And if you bought any of these things or you've been to the Michael's clearance, why don't you let me know that in the comments down below? And again, if you are new to my channel, I do post several videos a week, so I hope you'll consider subscribing if you like this content. It's free. All you have to do is click on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button down below. And to all of you who are my subscribers already, I want to thank you. I hope you're having fun decorating for the fall holidays, as well as looking at inspiration for the upcoming holiday season, winter holiday season. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.